What's up guys, welcome to Barrookie. In today's video we're going to talk about the one arm pull-up because I'm still on my journey to get that nice strength feat of being able to do the one arm pull-up. So still not there. I've been doing the best exercise you can do for the one arm pull-up, and that's the one with the cable contraption because that mimics the one arm pull-up the best. But I was plateauing on this exercise, and typically when I plateau on an exercise, I don't try to milk it out, but I try and do another variation that accomplishes the same goal, and then when I plateau on that one, I return to the original exercise and typically I can do better. That was the case here, so I stopped doing the best exercise for the one arm pull-up and I did the next one, and that's probably the one that you're going to see if you're looking for tutorials online. That's the one where you hang off of one arm and you grab your forearms or even your biceps if you're at the later progression and you try to pull yourself up like this. Why is this not as good as the other exercise? In my opinion, it's because here you have like a closed system. Even though this arm is doing all the gripping strength, you're going to pull from both lats and you don't need your obliques that much as you would with the one arm pull-up. Now, that being said, this is still a very good exercise for the reason being you only grip with one arm and still your whole body weight is hanging off of it. So you increase your grip strength, and as we all know, if you increase your grip strength, you don't have to worry about that. And as you do the one arm pull-up, you can focus a lot more on your abs and your obliques and your biceps on getting yourself up. I've been doing this exercise where I hold my arm even a little bit lower. And what I also did was I added some weights. So I did this exercise weighted. You're not only gripping and holding your body weight up, but you're holding those extra kilos up as well. And that is going to increase your grip strength tremendously. Now also you get a very good lat activation of one side, even though you're assisting with the other one. So I went up to 26.5 kilos, which doesn't sound like a lot if you're talking about a weighted pull-up, but as it comes to holding yourself up with one arm and pulling yourself up, in my opinion, 26 kilos is very much up there. So that is what I've been doing now. The only downside of this exercise really is if you have hairy forearms, which I have, and you have to grip, well, it doesn't feel that well. I didn't shave my forearms, so we just went with the pain. That being said, I'm looking very much forward to going back to the cables and trying out if I have progressed in strength for the one arm pull-up. So be on the lookout for that video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this exercise and if you would do them weighted. I really recommend you do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!